Today, we're diving into something super exciting. Huawei's latest and greatest innovation, the Huawei Mate XD, the world's first tri-foldable smartphone. If you're into cutting-edge tech and jaw-dropping designs, this one's going to blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Huawei has just dropped an official video for the Mate XD. Manageable size, making it super convenient to carry around. It's amazing how a device that can give you such a large display can also fold into something that fits comfortably in your hand. Let's talk about the camera system because Huawei didn't cut any corners here. The Mate XT comes with Huawei's Ultra Aperture X-Mage camera, featuring a variable aperture on its main sensor. What does that mean for you? Well, it allows the camera to adjust automatically based on lighting conditions, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time, whether you're in bright daylight or low light situations. On the back of the Mate XD, you've also got ultra-wide and periscope telephoto lenses, making this phone an absolute powerhouse for mobile photography. Whether you're taking landscape shots, group photos, or zooming in on distant subjects, the Mate XD's camera system is designed to handle it all. Now, you might think that a tri-foldable smartphone with a 10-inch display would be heavy and clunky, but that's where Huawei's expertise in material design comes into play. The Mate XD is made from aerospace-grade fiber, which is not only strong but also incredibly light. This material helps keep the weight down to just 298 grams, which is lighter than you might expect for such a complex device. To add to the premium feel, Huawei has wrapped the Mate XD in vegan leather, giving it a stylish finish that feels great in hand. This is a phone that doesn't just perform well, it looks and feels premium too. Even though the Mate XT folds 3 times, it's surprisingly slim, measuring just 12.8 millimeters when folded. That makes it only slightly bulkier than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is pretty impressive considering the Mate XT's extra fold and larger display. So if you're worried about pocketability or bulkiness, Huawei has done an excellent job at keeping the Mate XT as sleek as possible. What's a phone with all these features if it can't keep up with your day? Luckily, the Mate XT packs a 5,600 mAh battery, which is pretty large, especially for a foldable. You'll have plenty of juice to get through your day, even with that massive screen. Plus, Huawei has equipped the Mate XT with ultra-fast charging, so you won't be tied to a charger for long. One of the standout features of the Mate XT is its two-way satellite calling. That's right, you can make calls even when you're out of cellular or Wi-Fi range. Whether you're hiking in remote areas or simply in a location with poor reception, you can still stay connected. Huawei's Mate XT has already generated a ton of excitement, although you'll have to be in China to get your hands on one. So what do you think about the Huawei Mate XT? Is this tri-foldable design the future of smartphones, or is it just a gimmick? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. That's it for today. As always, see you in the next video.